So this is a grill pad. It's 60 inches by 42 inches. This one's a black one. And you put your grill on top, and this is supposed to help protect the concrete or whatever's underneath your grill, because not only does it help capture the grease and everything else, but it's also supposed to be burn resistant, and it's supposed to be very easy to clean. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this thing down, and we're gonna see how well it works. All right, so here it is laid down. It's actually pretty impressive. I thought it was gonna be kind of a bulky matte kind of thing. It's not. It's actually a pretty thin rubberized feeling material that lays down on the ground real flat, nothing popped up or nothing to trip over. It's got a good texture to it. It's kind of a rubbery kind of feeling, but it's nice and thin. It's not real thick, and it's got a nice seam around it, so it looks nice and stylish. This one is made by Patio Gym. There's their little brand on the side. I'm gonna go ahead and put my grill on this and see how well it looks. All right, so I brought my grill over there. I sprayed it off, and I like it already. So yes, this is my Weber grill. It is well worn, and it does great, but sometimes it, like I said, leaks. You know, you cook certain things, there's too much grease in there. Sometimes it'll spill out or whatever, and it gets on the ground. But look at this. I mean, it beads up water with no problem, which is probably going to do the same thing with anything else like oil or anything that drips down there. Will be easy to clean up instead of it just soaking down into the cement. Spraying it off's a breeze. And one of the things that I really like too is the mat's not real thick and bulky. It's pretty thin. So the wheels on the grill roll around on it with no problem. And if I need to move the grill on or off this mat, it's no issue at all. I don't have to lift it up or anything else. It just rolls right on and rolls right off. Now it also says that it is resistant to burning. So let me try it. I'm gonna see if I can get some fire and put up on there. Let's see what it does. One of the things I tend to do, especially with the grill, after I clean it, is I come out here with the electric blower and I blow all the water off the patio and anything else that's here. But check this out. I mean, it blows this out real easy. There it is, all nice and clean. All right, so I have my little lighter here that I use to start fires in the grill or the fire pit. Well, it's not burning. I would call that fire resistant. So yeah, I mean, it doesn't set ablaze. Man, it's not even hot. If you have a grill mat like this, leave me some comments down below. Let me know what you think about these. Do you have this mat, or do you have one kind of like this? Let me know what I should be expecting out of this thing. But so far, I'm pretty happy to finally get something put down underneath there, because it's been years and I keep scrubbing and it's just messing up my concrete more and more. I'll put a link to this item down in the description. All right, if you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please think about subscribing to the channel. That really helps me out. Thank y'all very much for watching. Y'all take care.